With so many mobility scooters on the market today, it can be hard to decide which one will suit your needs the best. But if you know you are wanting something tough and rugged that can handle even the toughest of obstacles, in no particular order, here are our favorite 8 heavy-duty mobility scooters on the market today. First is the Baja Bandit. This heavy-duty mobility scooter has a weight capacity of 400 pounds and is for those that long for off-road and open-road exploration. It's engineered for a rugged experience with a 4.5-inch ground clearance and handles dirt tracks and grassy fields with ease. It cranks up to 8 miles per hour, which makes for a swift journey when navigating the landscape, absorbing the uneven terrain along the way. Its full suspension and integrated suspension seat post offers a comfortable ride. Next we have the Pursuit 2 by AutoMobility. Featuring a 400-pound weight capacity and a 9.3 mile per charge cruising speed for thrilling adventures. Equipped with a full LED lighting package and a memory foam seat for added comfort, the Pursuit 2 is the top choice for your next excursion, whether that's right down the sidewalk or miles down a dirt road. Now the Vita Monster X by Easy Rider. This heavy-duty scooter has a 900-watt motor and uses a 200-amp S-Drive controller to power through all types of terrain. With a double A-arm front suspension and 3D rear suspension, this adds for a smooth ride and maximum shock absorption. A top speed of 11.5 miles per hour and a range of up to 28 miles per charge. Next, let's look at the Raptor 2 by AutoMobility 3 or 4-wheel heavy-duty model. If you're looking for something that's rugged and fast, the Raptor 2 is the way to go. Both offering a 400-pound weight capacity and a top speed of up to 13 to 14 miles per hour. For those with a taste for the finer things, the Baja Wrangler 2 heavy-duty scooters offer unmatched speed, style, and support. The one and only Baja Wrangler. It brings unprecedented capabilities to the outdoor personal mobility vehicle class. Built for utility, durability, and your greatest adventures. Offering a weight capacity of 450 pounds and a top speed of 11 miles per hour. CPS suspension features industry-leading suspension for a much smoother ride. The PX4 heavy-duty mobility scooter by AutoMobility. Durable and reliable, this mobility scooter offers supreme comfort thanks to full suspension and a memory foam seating in several sizes. With a 500-pound weight capacity and a 23.4 mile per charge driving range, the innovative PX4 provides room to breathe no matter your destination. Appeal to your sporty side with the Victory LX Sport by AutoMobility. Enjoy premium suspension, bright lighting, and other sophisticated features, all in one sporty package. Offering a 400-pound weight capacity and a top speed of 8 miles per hour. You're active and always on the go, and you need a scooter that is up to that task. To get more information on these amazing heavy-duty scooters, call AutoMobility stores today at 1-800-431